So dito kami sa Japanese Culture Exhibition sa Diplomatic Quarters today. Tingnan natin kung anong meron.
Para sa kahirap.
Japan. Oh my God, may ano agad, diamond agad. Oh. Mayaman. Today is November 1. Dito kami mag-spend ng aming holiday. Today is Saturday. Nag-register kami online and now verify kami ng aming ticket. So, andito na kami pagkatapos ma-verify ang aming QR code. Dito na kami sa Japan Festival. Konnichiwa! Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga activities for today. Oh, fair. Okay. So, meron daw fair sa main hall. Ay, merong Japanese calligraphy at 3:30. Hello Kitty and Friends stage show. Tara.
Japanese calligraphy.
Calligraphy? And
yes.
then, at 4 o'clock, Hello Kitty.
Exactly.
It's the same place?
Yes, same place.
Oh, okay. All the same place?
Yes.
Dito muna tayo sa Hello Kitty Friends Show. Dito daw lahat. Hindi ko nga alam kung doon o dito eh. Pero umupo na tayo. So, now, meron kami Japanese calligraphy art.
Many of whom are deeply rooted in Japanese culture. We invite you to look forward to an exciting showcase of tradition, creativity, and cultural exchange. Sage Michi Yoshikawa, خطاط مشهور جدا في اليابان، معروف بأسلوبه التجريدي في أعمال الخط. وقد حصل Master Richie Yoshikawa. He is highly acclaimed calligrapher in Japan for his avant-garde style of creating calligraphy works. He has received many prestigious awards for calligraphy. We kindly invite you to come closer to Mr. Yoshikawa in order to see the calligraphy.
Closer daw eh. Pwedeng closer.
ندعوكم إلى التوجه والاقتراب أكثر. كلمات كيزونا من خلال التبادل الثقافي والعمل المتبادل. في هذه المناسبة التي تصور فكرة
Next in the program is Hello Kitty and Friends Show.
The next program features Hello Kitty, Sanrio's famous characters, Hello Kitty and her friends, My Melody and Bal Batsuman. Hello Kitty's real name is Kitty White. She was born in London and her height is 5 apples, her weight is 3 apples. She's a bright and kind girl. My Melody is a straightforward and cheerful girl. She likes baking cookies with her mom. Her favorite food is almond pound cake. Bad Batsumaro is a mischievous and contrarian male penguin. His favorite foods are high-end sushi from Ginza. Are you excited for Hello Kitty and Friends? Please welcome them on stage with a big round of applause. My Melody. Thank you, Batsumaro.
Sa lakas ng sound system, nagutom kami. So maghahanap na kami ng food. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Japan food section. Marami pala. Akala ko talagang tindahan. Ay, ito na mo.
Please, yes, yes. You can eat, you can eat.
Tapos ito naman, matcha. Ang daming tao. Matcha tea. Ay, amoy ano talaga. Cute na mga bag.
This is the belt over here. You can touch it, okay? They use this belt instead of throwing it or storing it, they recycle it and make bags. This is the Instagram account. They ship to Saraway before they give like presents or something. This is a good account.
So, ang dami mga tao. Ang dami mga products. Japan products. Japanese sando. Sando sandwich. Ito naman is fruit and veg. Mga fruit and veg naman sila. Tikman natin. We can taste. Potatoes. Ito. Try nyo. Ito. Potato and
Sweet potato, melon.
melon. Sweet potato. Sarap yung melon. Ang tamis nga. Ang sarap. Oo. Crown melon.
Sarap rin yung melon.
Sarap.
It's very good.
Oh, thank you.
Arigato.
Arigato.
It's nice. Ito naman mga gamit. This one is rice. This one is kimchi. At kuha ka isa. Tapos kuha mo ako ng...
Japanese style.
Ayan, let's go. Diba? Japanese kimchi. Kimchi and rice. Oh, Yakult. Gusto mo yan Yakult. Yan try mo yung Yakult. Ayusin muna natin. Wait lang. This Yakult. Ha?
Can you please scan to follow us?
Sure. Nakita namin. Tingnan natin, lalabas na kami. Busog na yung kasama ko, hindi ko pa nakakain yung akin. Busog ka na? Ha? Hindi ba? Hindi ka pa busog? Wala na, yun na yun. Doon na tayo sa medyo maluwag. Kuhainin ko muna yung aking mga kinuhang pagkain. Tingnan natin ang kimchi. Masarap yung kimchi nila, in fairness. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang. And then, try naman natin na may rice. Sarap. Itong ano nila, soybean. Sarap din. Ang Yakult nila, yummy. Very nice. Diba? Oh, yan. Patapos namin makakuha ng mga kung ano-ano. Kanina kumain ako ng kimchi at saka rice and soybean something paste. Ngayon, tatry namin itong hochicha matcha. And then, yung is original matcha. Anyway. Okay naman. Para siyang lasang chocolate. Sa unang taste mo, sa unang zip, is hindi mo siya magustuhan. Pero sa mga, yung next na pag-taste mo, masarap naman. Try ko tong isa. Matcha naman. Try natin ang matcha. Masarap naman siya, mukhang lasang matcha. Mas okay to para sa akin.
Pareho lang, pero mas okay na yan.
Ayan yung jelly. Sarap. Uy, nice. Ano lasa? Anong candy? Anong flavor?
Parang orange.
Orange. Hindi siya yung jelly na parang jelly ace. Nice! After namin ng food trip, we're going out. May kimono doon, pero ang haba daw ng pila, kaya hindi na lang kami pupunta. Masyadong daw mahaba. So dito na lang kami sa baba. Mga product naman to, product exhibition ng Japan. Calligraphy ulit. Ito tourism. Baka tuturuan sila na paggawa ng matcha. The art of matcha. Okay, bye-bye. So, yun na siya. Anime. Exit na kami. Hanap na kami ng pagkain. Yan. So, dito ang exit sa taas.